The iPhone 14 Pro Max is the latest flagship smartphone developed by Apple Incorporated, known for its cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Packed with powerful features and innovations, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is designed to provide an exceptional user experience. In this article, we will explore the top 10 reasons why the iPhone 14 Pro Max is considered one of the best smartphones available on the market today. Design and display. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a stunning design with a sleek, premium build. Its large OLED display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, providing an immersive viewing experience. A 15 Bionic chip. Powered by Apple's A15 Bionic chip, the iPhone 14 Pro Max delivers unmatched performance and efficiency. The chip's advanced architecture and neural engine enhance processing speed, allowing for seamless multitasking, gaming, and resource-intensive applications. Enhanced camera system. The iPhone 14 Pro Max features an advanced camera system that includes a triple lens setup with improved sensors and computational photography capabilities. This enables users to capture stunning photos and videos with exceptional detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Promotion technology. The iPhone 14 Pro Max introduces promotion technology, offering a smoother and more responsive display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This feature enhances scrolling, animations, and gaming, providing a more fluid and immersive experience. 5G connectivity. With support for 5G networks, the iPhone 14 Pro Max enables faster download and upload speeds, as well as improved streaming quality. This ensures seamless connectivity and unlocks the full potential of high-bandwidth applications. Battery life. Despite its powerful features, the iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts an impressive battery life, thanks to optimized hardware and software integration. This allows for extended usage throughout the day without the need for frequent recharging. iOS ecosystem. The iPhone 14 Pro Max runs on Apple's iOS, known for its intuitive interface, seamless integration with other Apple devices, and access to a vast ecosystem of apps, games, and services through the App Store. Enhanced security. Apple prioritizes user privacy and data security, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max is no exception. It incorporates advanced security features such as Face ID facial recognition, ensuring secure access to the device and protecting personal information. Improved augmented reality, AR, capabilities. The iPhone 14 Pro Max leverages its powerful hardware and software to enhance AR experiences. With its advanced camera system, powerful chip, and dedicated AR apps, users can enjoy immersive and realistic augmented reality applications. Environmental commitment. Apple has made significant strides in reducing its environmental impact, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max reflects this commitment. It incorporates sustainable materials, optimized energy efficiency, and supports recycling programs, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious consumers. In conclusion, the iPhone 14 Pro Max offers a compelling package with its sleek design, powerful performance, advanced camera capabilities, and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. It sets new standards in terms of speed, display quality, and user experience, solidifying its position as one of the best smartphones available on the market. See you again.